Refurbished Apple Watch Series 5 for £99. Unboxing in-depth review. Hold on to your wallets, tech enthusiasts, because what I'm about to reveal might just change how you think about premium smartwatches forever. Here's the shocking truth. You don't need to break the bank to own Apple's legendary timepiece. Right now, you can snag a professionally refurbished Apple Watch Series 5 for an absolutely mind-blowing £99 through Wowcher. That's a fraction of what most people paid when this beauty first hit the market. But here's where it gets controversial. And this is the part most Apple fanatics don't want to admit. While everyone's obsessing over the latest Series 10 with its flashy new features, the Series 5 from 2019 remains what many consider the sweet spot of Apple Watch evolution. This isn't just another outdated gadget gathering dust in some warehouse. We're talking about a timepiece that revolutionized the smartwatch game with its groundbreaking, always-on display technology. Let me paint you a picture of what you're actually getting for less than the cost of a fancy dinner date. This remarkable device comes equipped with both 40mm and 44mm sizing options, ensuring a perfect fit regardless of your wrist dimensions. The always-on Retina display means you'll never again experience that awkward wrist twist dance just to check the time or read an important message. Now here's where things get really interesting and slightly contentious. This particular model boasts precision heart rate monitoring and ECG capabilities that rival medical-grade equipment. You've got SOS emergency features, sophisticated crash detection technology, and an integrated compass that'll make you feel like a modern-day explorer. Plus, with its impressive 50-meter water resistance rating, you can confidently wear it while swimming, surfing, or engaging in any aquatic adventures. But let's address the elephant in the room that nobody wants to talk about, the refurbished factor. Here's my take. And I know this might ruffle some feathers. Buying refurbished tech isn't settling for second best. It's making a smart, environmentally conscious decision that happens to save you hundreds of pounds. Yes, this Series 5 watch might display some cosmetic signs of its previous life, but it's been professionally restored to meet rigorous quality standards. Think of it as buying a pre-owned luxury car that's been expertly maintained. The device runs on Apple's reliable S5 chip, which, while not the absolute latest, still delivers smooth performance for everyday tasks. However, and this is crucial, you might find yourself locked out of some cutting-edge apps and features that are exclusively available on newer models. Is this a deal breaker? That depends entirely on whether you prioritize having every single latest feature or simply want a premium smartwatch experience without the premium price tag. Wowcher sweetens the deal with a reassuring 14-day return policy, so if you're not completely satisfied, you can easily send it back. Now, let me throw some alternative options into the mix to keep things fair and balanced. If you're craving something more current, Back Market offers a refurbished Apple Watch SE2 from 2022 for £145, complete with a comprehensive 12-month warranty. For those who absolutely must have the newest technology, Currys is currently slashing £100 off the brand new Apple Watch Series 10, bringing it down to £299. And this is where the platform wars get spicy. If you're Team Android, Wowcher also stocks a Samsung Galaxy Smartwatch GPS with charging dock for just £39 in various color options. For Samsung enthusiasts seeking the ultimate experience. But here's what really caught my attention and why I think this Series 5 deal deserves serious consideration. When the Mirror's respected tech editor Dave Snelling reviewed this exact model upon its original release, he didn't hold back with his praise. His verdict was crystal clear. There's absolutely no question the Series 5 represents the best Apple Watch that's ever been manufactured. The revolutionary always-on display transforms this into the device we've been dreaming about for years, and the built-in compass functionality adds genuine practical value. Snelling went on to highlight the comprehensive suite of fitness and health monitoring capabilities, plus the option for cellular connectivity that essentially allows you to leave your smartphone at home without missing important communications. He concluded that this was the most complete wearable device available in the marketplace, leaving Apple's competitors with an enormous gap to bridge. However, and this brings us to the honest criticism, Snelling wasn't completely starry-eyed. He pointed out legitimate concerns about battery longevity and noted that visually, it's virtually indistinguishable from the Series 4. These are fair points that potential buyers should definitely consider. So here's my controversial question for you. In our obsession with having the absolute latest technology, are we overlooking incredible value opportunities right in front of us? Is a 2019 premium smartwatch that was once hailed as the industry's gold standard somehow inadequate in 2025 simply because newer models exist? I'd argue that for the vast majority of users, this Series 5 at £99 represents exceptional value that's hard to ignore. But I want to hear from you. Are you team latest and greatest or team smart value shopping? Would you choose a refurbished premium device over a brand new budget option? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, because I have a feeling this topic is going to spark some heated debates among our community. Remember, these prices are accurate as of publication, but in the fast-moving world of online deals, they won't last forever.